If you want to create cinematic video with Google Veo 3, there is one thing you need to understand first. Veo 3 is powerful, very powerful. It can generate realistic motion and cinematic lighting. It produces scenes that genuinely feel close to film, but the model alone is not enough. Because cinematic video is not just about making a pretty clip, it is about direction. It is about camera language, lighting, composition, motion, pacing, mood, visual consistency, and knowing exactly what you want the audience to feel. That is the director's job. That is why a lot of people use Veo 3 and still get results that feel random. The technology is strong, but the workflow is weak. And that is where Magnific becomes so useful. Magnific gives you the creative environment around the model. It helps you build better starting images, refine visual direction, and create a more intentional workflow before you even generate. That is the key. If you want cinematic video with Google Veo 3, do not treat it like a slot machine. Treat it like a film set. You are not just prompting, you are directing. Let's look at the first mistake. Prompts that are way too vague, like a man walking through a futuristic city at night. That generates something interesting but not cinematic. It does not define the camera, the lens, the lighting, or the mood. So Veo has to guess. And when the model guesses, the result can look good, but it usually feels generic. A better prompt defines the subject, action, camera movement, and technical details, like using a 35mm film look or neon rim lighting. Now the model has direction. Follow this structure: subject, action, environment, camera movement, lighting, mood, style, technical detail. If you follow that, your Veo 3 results will already improve. But if you want it to feel truly cinematic, the prompt is only step one. The next step is the starting image. This is one of the most important parts of the workflow. If your starting frame is weak, the video will usually be weak too. If the frame does not already feel cinematic as a still image, it probably will not feel cinematic once animated. With Magnific, you can build the visual foundation first. Create a strong image, refine it, upscale it, and make sure it belongs in a film before sending it into Veo 3. You are giving it a visual anchor. Think about it like this. Veo 3 is the camera and motion engine. Magnific is where you build the visual world. That combination is the real workflow. Now let's talk about camera movement. This is where a lot of AI video goes wrong. People ask for too much, zoom, pan, and rotate all at once. Then the result feels unstable. Most cinematic shots are controlled. Be specific. Use terms like slow dolly push-in, locked off wide shot, or handheld tracking shot. The more precise your language, the better the output. For most generations, focus on one main camera movement and one subject movement. Simple, controlled, intentional. That is how you get better cinematic video. Lighting is the biggest difference. Don't just say cinematic, define it. Golden hour, neon rim light, moonlight through fog. Each one tells a different story. The image is not cinematic because it says cinematic. It is cinematic because the visual choices are specific. Magnific helps you build that lighting language before you animate. Now, motion inside the scene. A cinematic clip does not always need huge movement. Actually, small motion often looks better. Rain, smoke, or wind moving through fabric. These details make the shot feel alive. With Veo 3, controlled motion usually looks more believable than chaotic action. A clear job produces a better clip. If you want a full cinematic sequence, you need to think in scenes. A sequence is not one random clip. It is a set of shots that belong together. Establishing, medium, close-up. This is where Magnific is valuable. You can build keyframes for each shot, ensuring a consistent world, color palette, and character. You are building a visual system. You need more specific style direction. Don't just use 4K or ultra-realistic. Try 1970s film photography, A24 style quiet realism, or luxury fashion commercial. Pick one dominant style. Don't mix too many styles or the model won't know what to prioritize. Testing these styles visually in Magnific first helps you avoid wasting generations. Step 1. Decide your goal. Step 2. Create your starting image in Magnific. Step 3. Write a structured prompt. Step 4. Keep motion focused. Step 5. Iterate. Use templates for different needs. Portraits, commercials, travel. Notice the pattern. Each prompt gives direction, not just description. That is the main difference. The best creators will not be the ones who generate the most. They will be the ones who direct the best. They control light, guide motion, and build consistent worlds. Veo 3 gives you the power, but Magnific gives you the system. In AI video, the system matters. Master the workflow, and you'll master the vision. Stop prompting. Start directing. I'll see you on the next film set.